Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Microsoft is at it again because it's a day that ends in Y. Apparently, according to an internal Microsoft presentation from June 2022, a year ago, Microsoft discussed building on Windows 365, quote unquote, to enable full Windows streamed from the cloud. Windows from the cloud. How long have you been using Windows? Locally, not in the cloud? In the fog, maybe, but on your desktop? Would you use Windows in the cloud, like fully in the cloud? I know I did air quotes. It was so high, I did air quotes up. It was high because, you know, that is legal in the state of Washington. Redmond is in the state of Washington. Windows from the cloud. I mean, I can tell you this. My dad is allergic to the cloud. Like, if you even mention the word cloud to him, he doesn't like the cloud. I said, Dad, you're soaking in it. You've been using the cloud, even if you didn't think you're using the cloud. You may be losing access to your desktop at some point in the near future. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, right? They're just discussing the possibility of not having Windows necessarily always operating locally in the cloud. It's fascinating to me, given that I'm interested in streaming games from the cloud. I don't want to manage games locally. I want to be able to just press a button and go, right? Have them loaded remotely on computers that are substantially faster than anything I might be able to own here in this space. So I guess, you know, if they can make it work, it wouldn't bother me to run Windows in the cloud, but I'm more than fairly confident, knowing you maybe half as well as I think I know you, you're not going to be happy about running Windows anywhere but locally. Am I right? Am I wrong?